Every great legend begins with a single, sleepy blink.
Today feels like a day for finding things. What's this? A message? The lines, they lead past the giant pillars to the purple forest. An explorer needs a uniform. It's a long way down to the Great Grass Sea. Steady, Milo. The world is waiting.
The first obstacle, the stairs of doom.
Step 1. Complete. Into the unknown. It's very green in here and smells like adventure. Whoa! A flying leaf? You're a guide. You know the way to the Purple Forest, don't you? The Great Yellow Boulder. The map didn't say it was this fuzzy. Almost there. I can see the whole world from here. A wall of diamonds. We have to be quiet, Pip. Don't touch the sticky. An iron giant! Good luck, Pip. We made it through the sea, but what's that sound? It's the Golden Mountain. And it's snoring.
A slumbering giant blocks the only road forward.
If he wakes up, he might lick me to death.
Quiet as a shadow. Don't move. I am a rock. I am a very orange rock. Please don't sneeze. Please don't sneeze. Oh no! Go, Pip, go! We did it! The giant still sleeps. Huh? Is the sky growling? The water dragon! It's raining upwards! Cold! Cold and wet! Strategy! I need a strategy! Pip! Where are you? This is a good cave. We'll wait for the dragon to tire out. One, two, jump! Left, right. Splash. Now. Land ho!
He runs with the speed of 1,000 sunbeams.
I'm much more aerodynamic when I'm dry. The purple forest. It's real. They're whispering secrets, Pip. Can you hear them? The treasure! It smells like the best nap in the world. I'm the king of the forest!
The reward for a brave heart is a moment of perfect peace. A small kitten in a big world, finding his own corner of magic.
Thank you for showing me, Pip. For my bed. The light is changing. Time to head home. It's a long way back, but I'm an explorer now. We'll tell the others about the water dragon. Not so tough now, are you? Good evening, Mountain. We're just passing through. He knew all along. The stars are coming down to walk with us. Almost home.
The explorer returns, changed by his travels.
Mission accomplished, Pip. Until the next adventure, my friend.
For even the smallest kitten can have the biggest dreams.